eigenvalues of the matrix representing the following pair of linear equations. So, eigenvalue of the matrix. So, linear equation corresponding x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is I. Here x coefficient is I, y coefficient is 1. So, eigenvalue of this only asking. Then lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Product sum of eigenvalue is trace of the matrix 1 plus 1, 2. Product of eigenvalue is 1 minus I square, that is 2, right? 1 minus I square. I square is minus 1, that also 2, right? So, sum 2, product also 2. So, this is possible. 1 plus I and 1 plus I. So, sum is never 2. This is not possible. 1 minus I, 1 minus I. Sum is not equal to 2. Then this only possible, right? 1 plus I, 1 minus I. Then sum you get 2. Product you get 1 plus I into 1 minus I, what? 1 square minus I square. That is 1 minus minus 1. That is 2, right? So both satisfied by this option only, right?